up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming some catch-up work and I am unboxing a whole bunch of stuff. So if you want to see my previous videos from today, you can check them out here. And right now I'm unboxing the Let It Glow mystery bag from IPSY. And it has this super cute sequin bag. And let's see what's inside. It has this gorgeous red satin, which is perfect for the holidays. First thing I see is the Get It Chiquita mini eyeshadow palette. Mini blush and eyeshadow palette. Now, if this is a score, these are great for traveling. Like if it's a quality product, these are just awesome for traveling because you could do so much. Ooh, these are really cute. I'm definitely going to experiment with this and see if it's a quality product to travel with because that's so perfect. Those colors are awesome. Next is the Nanette Lepore Beauty Abroad Honeydew Melon Cucumber Water Sea Mist Rose Apple Jasmine. This sounds incredible. Packaging is cute. It has like a little leopard embossing. Let's see. Ooh, that smells good. Super bright. Very fresh. It's like really light. I do get the cucumber note. So that's giving Y2K vibes and I'm here for it. I love that. Yum, that's really yummy in an old school type of way. I love that. It reminds me of like being 13 years old in the best way. Okay, next. This is the They're Real Beyond Mascara. Awesome, we all know and love this product. A little travel mini mascara. Is it brown? It's black. This is a great basic mascara. Awesome, great for travel. And let's see what's next. The Farrah Smooth Focus Face Primer. Okay. And last is the Gold Faded Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance. Awesome. And that is what was in my Let It Glow mystery bag from IPSY for the holiday season. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.